One day, Henry was looking sorry for himself in the sheds. Then, Thomas puffed up to see if he was okay. Are you okay, Henry? No, Thomas, I'm really not. Well, if you can't make your train, maybe I can pull it. I'm not sure, Thomas. Don't worry, Henry. I'll be fine. I guess I don't really have any other choice. Just if there's no other engines, Thomas. Okay, Henry. I'm sure I can do it very well. If you say so, Thomas. Hello, Thomas. Hello, sir. May you please go and jump Henry's train, please? Okay, sir. Also, why do you say please twice? Sorry, just tired. Then, Thomas swung Henry's coaches to the station. Oh my gosh, these might be my coaches soon. Soon, people started to get grumpy about the train not coming. I need to go to work. Where is the locomotive? Where is my train? Where is the coaches? The coaches are here. We just see the engine. Yeah, idiot. Silence! The director said. We will find another engine. Just don't worry. So there is no other engines. Okay. Thomas, you can take it. Okay, sir. And he departed happily. Oh my gosh, yes, this is incredible. This is the time of my life. I can't believe I'll finally be able to take a proper local train like Henry's. Then a signal stopped him. Oh, bloody signals. What does this idiot want? Hello, Thomas. Hello, sir. Why are you here exactly with a passenger head coat? Well, I'm pulling my coaches. Can you not see that? Are you bloody daft? Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe you're right. Oh gosh. Oh god. I'm sorry, sir. Maybe you should go back to the platform, Thomas. Good idea, sir. Okay. Goodbye, Thomas. And then Thomas rolls sadly back to the platform. Sorry, everyone. I was just a bit too excited, you see. Don't worry, Thomas. It's fine. Just take our train. Okay. And he departed with the coaches very happily. Slightly guilty about being late. Well, little Thomas, you seem to have forgotten your coaches. Well, not even yours. You only got soaked them because Henry can... Just shut up, Gordon. Oh, no, thank you. I'm absolutely fine. I hate you, Gordon. And then he slunk back to the sheds, leaving Gordon grumpy that he couldn't bully him anymore. Oh, God. Good night, everybody.